guys, it's Ariana. Welcome back to my channel. So for tonight's video, we are going to be doing a completely new unboxing that I'm bringing to my channel. So I decided to pick up a Barkbox subscription. So I'm really excited because I want to see if my dogs like it, if my dogs play with any of the toys, or if my terrier, because I have 3 dogs, if my terrier just shreds the toy in like 2.3 seconds. We shall see. But I'm really excited. I have wanted to try Barkbox for quite a while now, and I have a friend on YouTube here, Unica. She always, I'm sorry if I say your name wrong, Unica. She always does Barkboxing, and I really wanted to try it myself after watching her video. So I'll post her video in the eye or somewhere so you guys can go check out her channel as well, because she always does these videos and I've always been really interested in trying it. Also, sorry if this wig is a little bit weird. I wanted to try wearing my Sheen wig today, but I really hate wearing wigs that have bangs because I hate the way the bangs sit on my forehead and they just get all messy. But I love the style of this wig and it went really well with my contacts, so I wanted to try it today, but the bangs are a little messed up, so ignore that. But I'm really excited. So Barkbox is fairly expensive, honestly, for my opinion. It's like $35 a month for the box. You get 2 treats and 2 toys, so I guess that's not too expensive, but I mean, I'm pretty frugal, so I don't really like to spend money, but I think my dogs are worth it. So that's why I decided to sign up. Let's see how much I paid. If you do month to month, it's a little bit more expensive than if you do the 6 month, the 3 month, or the 1 year or whatever. So I signed up all 3 of my dogs. So I have Loki, Champ, and Toki. And I just went with my medium-sized dog for the information. So I have a medium male border collie and a husky and a terrier. So this box, you get 2 standard toys, 2 treats, and 1 chew. I think the chew will be really great for my medium-sized dog because he really likes to chew on things. The terrier is gonna really like the plushy stuff. My husky will like the treats. So it was $35.70 a month. So it's fairly expensive. I would say it's worth it though, because I'm probably gonna cancel BoxyCharm because I'm not like that big on the boxes that I've been getting lately, and they're always freaking late. So I'm thinking about canceling BoxyCharm and just going with Barkbox instead, and I think that would be a better fit for my channel. So this is what the box looks like when we open it up. So it is the Boops and Scoops. I'm really excited to see if my dogs like this and what they think of the treats. So I think the Boops and Scoops is really, really cute. I love that. They give you like a whole pamphlet, a whole card with everything in it, and I think that's really awesome. So super cute. So the first toy that I'm seeing is a Choco Doggo. So it is a, oh my God, it has nutrition facts on the back. So it's 1 taco per doggo. So it's a taco, it's like an ice cream taco, and it squeaks. Oh, my dog's gonna freak out. I'm excited for that. So this has a really cool squeaker. So it's a multi-part toy. It has a squeaker and it has a crazy crinkle. So my border collie will really like the crinkle and my terrier will really like the squeak. So it says, don't listen to the fat cats who sell kibble. Choco is perfectly safe for doggos as long as it squeaked first. So I'm really excited. It looks like this. This is an adorable toy. I love it. It's a little taco. Oh my God. And I cannot wait to give this to my terrier because he's going to love it. All right, this is what the toy looks like up close. It is super cute. Oh my gosh. I'm very excited to give that to my dog. So that is the Choco Doggo. It is the deluxe one, so it is a medium to large size, so super cute. The next one is, oh my God, it's an ice cream sandwich cookie. So this one is good for all sizes. This is the Fun Fetchy Sniffawitch. Oh my God, these names are hilarious. I love this. Oh my God. Okay, so it looks like this. It's an ice cream sandwich. It's super cute. It has little cookies on it and it squeaks as well. My dog is gonna freak out. Oh my gosh, that is super cute. So it's good for all sizes. I think that's adorable. I love that. The next toy is the Boops and Scoops ice cream. Oh my goodness. So this one is again good for all sizes. And I think that's perfect because I signed literally all 3 of my dogs up because I didn't want to get 3 different boxes because they don't need 3 different boxes. I just wanted to try like the one and see if they liked it. Ooh, I pulled it apart already. All right, so this comes apart. Okay, cool. It's a little ice cream cone and it comes apart so you can flip it over and have like a chocolate strawberry, or you can have a mint top, and my dog's gonna love that because you can pull on it and it crinkles and it squeaks, and it's like 2 toys in one. So I'm not sure which dog is gonna go for this, but I think that's super cute. It's adorable. I love that it comes with like a little ball. This is gonna get destroyed instantly. Oh, they both squeak. So it's a 2-part toy. Oh my God. That is so freaking cute. I love that. Okay, think that's probably my favorite one so far. I love that it's all like ice cream themed. That's super cute. And the last ice cream toy is a melted ice cream. It's Squeaks, I believe. Yep, it's Squeaks, and it is a melted strawberry cone. Oh my God, that is so fucking cute. I love that. So it comes with a squeaker and it has a crinkle, and I can hear my little one outside my door because he keeps hearing me squeak them. Oh my God, that's so cute. Okay, that is adorable. I think the ice cream sandwich or the ice cream cup is my favorite, but I think this is adorable. Strut your fluff. When's the next party? Dig into past boxes. Spread the love. 100% happiness guaranteed. So they just give you a little pamphlet with the Barkbox pack on it. I think that's really cute. And now we can move on to the toys. So we got 4 toys and we got 2 chews and 4 different treats. So they gave us quite a bit of stuff in the first box. That's really, really exciting. So I'm very excited. The chews are pork stick recipes. So there's no soy, no corn or wheat in these. Made in the USA. So it looks like this, and it is made with real pork. I'm excited to see if my dogs like this. There's 2 chews in each one. So that'll be awesome. I'll probably break them in half so they each, because there's 3 of them, so they each get a little piece. And then we get a magic jerky bar. So we got 2 of these. So this is with sweet potato, blueberries, and cranberries. So with real sweet potato, with wholesome real berries, and it is 100% vegan. So it's a tasty superfood for your 4-legged sweet potato. Oh my God, a mouth-watering blueberry and cranberries in every bite. Protein from plants, not from your dog's animal pals. So these ones are vegan, which is kind of interesting for dogs because they're omnivores. I mean, they can eat meat. And the last one is the Oinky rolls. So we got 2 of the Oinky rolls. So these ones are USA pork is number 1, soft baked biscuits with molasses. The main ingredient is your dog's main attraction, USA farmed raised pork. 4 dogs of all sizes break off to the right size bite of your bark, naturally sweetened with real molasses. If you're gonna spoil your dog, do it right. I like that we got a bunch of different options for treats. So we got a meat one, which is really awesome. It's a pork recipe. We got a vegan one, and we also got a pork chew that doesn't have the soy, corn, or wheat in case your dog has allergies. So we got different treats from like all different categories. We got a vegan one, we got a meat one, and we got a kind of allergy friendly one. So I really think that's awesome. This was an incredible box. I'm very, very excited to continue with the subscription. I'm very excited to go see if my dogs like these, which I think they will. I have to pick up the box though, because I dropped it. And I have lots of toys and treats to spoil my dogs with. So now I'm gonna go grab my pups and I'm going to give all these toys to them. So I'm gonna record all of this on my phone just because I don't wanna drag my camera out of the room, but I'm really excited to see what they think of everything. So let's just go grab my dogs. Barkbox? Oh, do you know what a Barkbox is? What's this? It's an ice cream sandwich. Oh my goodness. You want it? Okay, that's yours. You want the taco? Oh, and Champy, do you want the cone? It also came with a sundae. Selfie! Selfie! Oh, here you go, get in. Look, there's more! Look, Betty! Oh! Do you guys want a treat? Oh, he's gone. He's obsessed with toys. Loki, do you want to chew? Want to try the chew? Come here. What's this? You sit. Good boy. Camp! Where did he go? Campy, do you want a treat? Oh, you're back. Do you want a treat? What's this? Is it chew? Is that good? Is that good? And you want a treat? You sit. You sit. Can you sit? Sit. 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 You're not a listener, huh? Sit. Good boy. You want a treat? Was that good? Do you like that? Oh, back to your ice cream sandwich. What do you think? How many bones out of 10? 10? 10 out of 10? All right. Do you like your toy? Oh, are you just so happy? Do you like your toy? Can I have it? Oh, no. Is that yours? Just yours? He's just licking it. Was that you so happy? Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, so I just posted all of the camera footage from my phone of my dogs enjoying the toys and the treats. So they really liked it. They're chewing on the chews right now because I gave them all the chews and I just threw the toys all over the floor as you guys saw. And my littlest one, Toki, is obsessed with squeaky toys. So the fact that we got 4 different squeaky toys is amazing. I highly recommend Barkbox. I think this is a really good subscription. I love the fact that it is all summer themed and it's all ice cream themed. So we got the ice cream sandwich, we got a melted strawberry cone, which is called the Slawberry Cone of Shame. We got the Choco Doggo Deluxe, and we got the Chip O Pup ice cream. So I think that's really awesome. We definitely got a lot of different things, and it was well worth their $35 because $35 is like one single toy at the pet store. So this was definitely worth it. I love the fact that we got a bunch of different varieties of treats, and I love the fact that we got 4 squeakers. So I highly recommend Barkbox. I will put my referral code down below. I think if you guys use my code to sign up, I think I get like a kickback or something. I might get money off of my next box or something. I'm not entirely sure how it works, but if you guys want to try Barkbox yourself for your pets, use my referral code down below. I don't actually know what it is. It's probably just like a random letters and numbers, but it'll be in my description box below. But this is a really fun video. I'm really excited to go edit this and see the footage of my dogs playing with everything. And thank you so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more content like this, and I will see you guys at the next video. Bye! So this is what all of the toys look like on the inside. I'm really excited to see really ass noisy truck. Shut the fuck up. A bunch of different options for treats. So we got, all right, I'm dropping things.